Let's go! Welcome back to another video, another day, another banger. Oh my gosh, guys. So, this might be the last time I'm gonna be able to do this because, well, you probably know what's been happening. This game might get banned in the Philippines. I'm so sorry. But, yeah, I might go back to playing Rec Room if that happens. Oh my gosh. So, this is the game I used to always play. Yeah. You know, when I was little, I used to always pretend that I was in a swimming pool, but it was just Roblox. I think the game is called Robloxian Water Park. I think you guys know about this. This game is really old, but it's still really good. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you're gonna ask me why I look like Avril Lavigne in the game, well, don't ask me because that's so embarrassing. Yeah, I know I dress up like that all the time, okay? And yeah, look at the wristband and the necktie. I mean, it's cool, guys, but I get picked on because of that sometimes. By the way, shout out to these people. You can see their names on the screen. You can see their comments there because they're really nice people, guys. They're really sweet and they really know how to appreciate. So I really like them. Thank you, guys. Okay, so Luna and TY, that's those are your YouTube names, right, guys? Did I say that right? You guys want me to sing Falling Down and Nobody's Fool? Well, it's almost my mom's birthday, so yeah, I'm probably so close to doing that, maybe. But I won't promise though, but I do promise that I'm gonna do it when I can. I usually sing when there's another event, guys. It's usually a family event, so I promise I'll do it, guys. I'm gonna record it, okay? So just keep watching, guys. Just wait for me to post, alright? And I'll make sure to remind you guys. So, yeah. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for those who haven't yet. Bro, I used to do this with a crew junior. Oh my gosh. Shout out to Harry and Quentin, wherever you guys are. Guys, Harry actually said hi and he couldn't log into his account right away and I didn't see his comment right away. Harry, I'm so sorry. I was so busy at school and I didn't see it in my notifications right away. And sometimes YouTube just doesn't let me know. Like sometimes it's just really silent. I don't know why. And my inbox is just empty. Harry, I'm so sorry I didn't see it right away. Thank you so much for reaching out. If you're watching this, I just want to ask you how Quentin's doing. I really don't know what happened. I know that in the past we had some arguments. That's probably why we're not friends in Roblox anymore. Wait, are we still friends in Roblox? I think I forgot your usernames or something. I think you guys changed your usernames a few times, but I don't know if we unfriended each other before because of an argument. Yeah, or maybe we just accidentally did that because I really can't see your names there anymore. But I also don't know if you guys quit playing, and I really miss you guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, comment down below what's your favorite game in Roblox. Bro, what was that? I thought I could just slide on it. Wait. It doesn't work. Wait. Oh my gosh, guys. You could get stuck here. Wait. You guys should really play this game if you haven't. It's so good. Like, you can do this every time it's summer. Bro, it's so quiet now. It used to be so... Oh, it's because of the chat. So, if you guys don't know, there's this new update. You can't talk to people who aren't in the same age group anymore. I'm guessing you know why. Yo, it's so high, bro! Bro, somebody just said insane beef. Are people fighting? I can't see it because it's locked, guys. I think they're not in the same age group. Bro! People are literally chilling here. But why don't they have hair? Why is everybody bald? Is this a trend now? Bro, I swear I keep seeing these. What? Oh my gosh. Is this because of that girl on TikTok? You have gotta be kidding, bro. Why don't you guys have hair? Bro! By the way, you guys are so weird for making that a trend. I know some people don't know who I'm talking about, but I'd rather not mention the name. Yeah. But if you guys have TikTok and you always see those videos, you know exactly who I'm talking about. Yo guys, I'm swimming. Oh my gosh. You guys like my new avatar? Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm gonna get up, guys. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. Guys, I might play Adopt Me and TTD3 after this. I don't know if I can play with my friends because they're really busy. And yeah, I'm gonna be really busy soon. So yeah, we're all just busy, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, but if you guys wanna see those videos that they were in, you can just look for them in my channel. Oh my gosh. Guys, shout out to my Vibe Squad. Guys, I'm gonna jump. This is so high, guys. Bro, I remember playing this game with Shekinah when we were little, and then she just fell off. And she was literally using my account because we were sharing my phone. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Bro, that was good. Oh my gosh. I didn't play this game for a long time, guys. I forgot about it. Guys, I'm gonna go to the beach soon, and I'm gonna make a video about it. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell if you haven't. And guys, please smash that like button. Oh my gosh! Guys, why is everybody else bald? What is this? Is this a glitch or what? Oh my gosh, it's not. Bro! The bacon hair just said, who the hell are you looking at? Yo, there's beef here. Not you, greaseball. What? He was too stunned from your beauty. Trust. Yo, this is so cringe. Bro, they're being so cringe. And he said, you literally are. What? Bro, who started this? Who started this? Okay. Bro, they don't know I'm recording. Oh my gosh. Press over Roblox insane work. Yo, what's going on? I think they're fighting, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna stay away. Guys, don't get mad at me for recording. I didn't mean to do that. Oh my gosh. You guys are on YouTube. By the way, guys, if you don't know, some people actually don't know this. Sometimes people ask me if they can hear me. No, they can't because I don't have voice chat. Thankfully. Guys! Why don't you have hair? Why is everybody bald? Oh my god! Bro, sometimes when I'm in Roblox, I don't only see those things I'm seeing right now, but sometimes I see people on wheelchairs. I don't even have to ask why anymore. Guys, seriously? What's gonna be the next trend? Why? What's so funny about it? Seriously. I don't even think it's that funny, bro. It's just funny that people are doing it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna jump again, guys. Wait, guys, should I jump again or go on the slides? Wait, I think I should go on the slides instead. That would be way more fun. I'm gonna go, guys. Oh my gosh! Wait. Should I? Oh, more slides. What's this? Yo, this one was one of my most favorite slides. Really. I'm gonna jump, guys. Do you want me to jump? This is so insane! Oh my gosh! 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, bro! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wait, what? Yo! Yo! What's this? What's this? Oh my gosh! I just fell, y'all! Oh my gosh! This is so insane! Woohoo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Bro! Yo guys, I forgot to tell you, I almost got banned on TikTok again because some people thought I was underage. Bro, I'm 15 now. I'm not that little anymore. I know I got banned before because I was really young. But I'm 15 now. I'm growing up. And you can hear my voice is a bit deeper than before. Like, guys, I'm old enough to be there. Bro, who said I was too young? It's literally 13 plus, remember? I don't know if it's different in other countries though. It depends. That's probably why people get confused. But guys, I swear I'm 15. I was born in 2011. I'm not lying. I just wanted to make that clear, guys. Sorry if we had a misunderstanding. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you're still watching and you love Avro, comment Black Star in the comments. Bro, who are these people? Yo, they don't have hair. They still have nice avatars though. Wait a second! No hair! But... Wait. Only 1 foot. Okay. What is going on, bro? I swear, man. Where are these type of avatars trending? Guys, I actually have Robux, but I only have a few. I forgot how much I have left. Yo, that guy just jumped! Wait, I'm gonna jump too. Oh my gosh! Yo, 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 yo! Ow, my head! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Woohoo! Yo! Oh my gosh! I love it. Wait, guys, did you watch Girl from Nowhere? The reset is actually so good. Some people don't like it, but it's really good. It's just as good as the original one. Oh my gosh. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!